Mrs. Yeo has 110 gummies to be packed in gift bags. Each gift bag can hold a maximum of 6 gummies. What is the smallest number of gift bags she needs? Okay, so for this one, right, using logic, right, we know that she has 110. And in one bag, right, we can only put 6 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 maximum. Now, they're asking for the smallest number of gift bags, which means that she doesn't want too many gift bags, right? In order to have the smallest number of gift bags, the number of gummies that must be placed inside, right, must be the maximum. So the more gummies she can put inside, the less gift bag she will have in the end. Since they said that each gift bag can only hold a maximum of 6, okay, we just take 110 divided by 6. Okay, let's look at the answer. 110 divided by 6, so this one will be 1, 6, 11 minus 6 will be 5, 0, this one will be 36, 42, 48, 2, 48, and this will be 2. So now over here is actually 18R2, 18 remainder 2. There will be 18 bags which are fully filled with 6 gummies, but she's left with 2 more. So how? You need 1 more bag over here. So the smallest number of bags will be 18 fully filled gift bag plus 1 more to hold the remaining 2. Okay, so it will be 19 bags altogether. This is the smallest number of gift bags that she need. Okay, so answer will be 4. Done.